If you are just beginning wholesaling, this video is for you. A year ago when I first started, I didn't know how or what list to pull. So today we're going to go over just that. In this video, I will give you some lists that you can pull that are great for beginners. But before we get into it, you know what to do. Slap that notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I drop a video. We're going to first start by where I pull my list from. I pull my list from Propstream. Now there are plenty other websites that you can pull your list from, but I go where I am comfortable at, and that is Propstream, okay? So if you don't have Propstream, you can register. They will give you a 7-day free trial for you to test it out. So while you're at it, take advantage of those 10,000 free leads that you can download, keyword free. So make sure you download those free 10,000 free leads so you can reach out to them. And y'all, like, I guarantee you will at least find a few leads in those 10,000. Okay, so take advantage of that. You just never know what will come from it. I skip trace with batch skip tracing. It is really easy, really simple. All you have to do is put in the address, and that's it. They charge 20 cents, which is 5 cents less than Propstream. So I'm gonna gravitate towards the cheaper one. I also skip trace with Skip Vault, so you guys should try that one out too. So let's jump right into it. The first on my list is Vacant Houses. Number one, because the property is not occupied, nobody lives there, nobody's using it, somebody's probably tired of it, and it's just sitting there. Number two is for sale by owners. You can also find them in your local newspaper. Every state or county has a local newspaper or newsletter that you can find physically or online. Also go to Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, all of these other listing websites online, and you can find them there as well. 3 is in-state, out-of-state absentee owners. I prefer out-of-state absentee owners just because sometimes it is an inconvenience for them. You can tell if they are out of state simply by looking at the mailing address. If it is different from the property's address, if it is out of state, then that's how you know that this is an out-of-state absentee owner. Number 4 is failed MLS listings. So there can be multiple reasons why an MLS listing has failed. Our job as a real estate investor is to help people figure out what happened, why didn't this property sell, and see if we can provide a solution to that homeowner. 5 is tired landlords. These are landlords that have owned their property for 5, 10, 20 years, and they are tired, okay? They want out of the game. Some tired landlords have a whole portfolio that they're just trying to liquidate, and they're just trying to get rid of. The way I target tired landlords is simply by applying my filters in Propstream, adjusting how many years they have owned the property. I usually go 10 or more years. So how do you find tired landlords? You can find them anywhere, okay? Craigslist. I found my first tired landlord on Craigslist. Propstream, just by simply filtering out the filters on Propstream. Owned 10 or more years, and that will give you a list of landlords that are probably tired and just want to liquidate their portfolio, or liquidate some of the properties that are not being occupied, have bad tenants, etc. If you're just starting and wanting to get your feet in the game, I would definitely start here first. Most people have a specific niche that they will eventually fall in. Definitely start here first. It will definitely help you find your way in finding your favorite list to target. If you guys found this video of value, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Before I leave, I love to do my affirmations of the day. The affirmation of today is: I can, I will, and I have everything I need to be successful. See you guys in my next video.